Welcome to 01 Nexus, where we simplify technology and bring the future to your fingertips. From the latest innovations, AI breakthroughs, and digital trends, to how everyday tech actually works, we've got you covered. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just tech curious, you're in the right place. Imagine charging your phone without plugging it in. No tangled cables, no broken charging ports. Just set it down, and boom, it charges. Sounds like magic? Well, it's actually science. Today, we're diving deep into how wireless charging works, the technology behind it, and whether it's really the future of powering our devices. Wireless charging is everywhere, from your phone to electric vehicles. But the term wireless can be a little misleading. There are still wires, just not the ones you think. At the heart of wireless charging is a principle called electromagnetic induction. Here's how it works. Inside your wireless charger, there's a copper coil. Inside your phone, there's another coil. When electricity flows through the charger's coil, it creates a magnetic field. That magnetic field induces a current in your phone's coil, and that is what charges the battery. This concept was first demonstrated by Nikola Tesla over 100 years ago. He dreamed of powering entire cities without wires. And while we're not quite there yet, the same physics is charging your gadgets today. Most modern wireless chargers use something called the Qi standard, spelled Qi, pronounced Qi. Qi charging uses inductive coupling, meaning the coils need to be close, usually less than 4 centimeters apart. The charger sends energy in short bursts, and your device controls how much power it receives. Thanks to Qi, you can charge phones from different brands on the same pad, as long as they're Qi certified. Not all wireless charging is the same. There are 2 main types. Inductive charging, the most common, requires close contact with the charging pad. Resonant charging, more advanced, allows charging from a short distance, even through furniture. And then there's the Holy Grail, true wireless charging, sending power through the air over several feet. Companies are experimenting with radio waves and lasers, but for now, it's not widely available due to safety and efficiency concerns. One downside of wireless charging is efficiency. Traditional cables can deliver over 90% of the power to your device. Wireless charging usually delivers less, meaning it can be slower. Plus, some energy is lost as heat, which is why your phone might feel warm after charging. That heat can slightly impact battery health over time. So if speed and battery longevity are your top priorities, a wired charger might still be your best option. But wireless charging has its perks. No more worn-out charging ports, less clutter from cables, works across multiple devices with the same pad. In the future, we might see long-range wireless power networks, where your devices stay charged simply by being in your home or office. No plugs, no pads, just energy in the air. So wireless charging isn't magic. It's clever use of magnetic fields. From toothbrushes to Teslas, the principle is the same, transferring energy without physical connections. Would you switch entirely to wireless charging? If it was as fast as a cable, let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown useful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech explained simply, and hit that bell so you never miss out. Until next time, thank you for watching.